Malacanang says there is a process that must be followed in connection with allegations of corruption against PNP Chief Alan Purisima. According to Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma, Director General Purisima has been transparent in allowing members of the media to tour his controversial property in San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija. He says such property is now under scrutiny of the Office of the Ombudsman. Plunder, graft, and indirect bribery charges have earlier been filed against Purisima before the Ombudsman for his alleged hidden wealth.
Malinaw naman yung kanyang pagiging bukas at yung kanyang pagiging hayag sa pagpapasuri doon. Na hindi naman siya evasive, hindi naman siya umiiwas doon sa pagtalakay doon sa mga questions pertaining to specific properties that he has declared. So all we are saying is we are a government of laws and not of men. Meron naman tayong mga umiiral na batas, meron din naman mga legal processes single dito. At ang ating tinitiyak ay yung pagiging accountable ni General Purisima like all other public officials. Wala